This video was brought to you by the Senderium app for Shopify. Drive your business growth with SMS marketing for Shopify. Hola, Hasan, Ahlan, hi. Welcome to eShop Talk. I am Alberto and today we'll cover 3 important tips to prepare your shop for Christmas. The color lights, this cinnamon smell in the air, Mariah Carey's sudden reappearance out of nowhere, and this eagerness to unwrap gifts. And everything starts from the moment the summer is over, at least in e-commerce. And if you add social distancing to the mix, it becomes another statement. So, in this video we'll go through 3 important steps to prepare your store for the rush of the holiday season. Now, I know there is a lot of uncertainty this year, but in between isolation and people actually avoiding to walk into stores, online shops are bound to receive a record amount of visitors. This is the moment where I ask you, are you ready for this influx of visitors and hopefully orders, and to provide them with an experience that will convince them to come back in the future? Think about it. But before we start, make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button and hit that bell right next to it to never miss one of our new stories. Believe it or not, the quest for Christmas gift ideas goes on throughout the entire year, at least at some level according to Google Trends. Yet, August is the month where it really takes off and then just keeps growing until December. If consumers are putting their Christmas list together more and more in advance, you should not ignore them. Instead, prepare for and take advantage of it. So, I give you 3 usually underrated and overlooked tips to focus on this Christmas season to improve your customer's experience. First, your website's performance. Did you know that 57% of visitors leave a website if it doesn't load in the first 3 seconds? So, before the holidays hit, give your site a checkup. This means that the performance of your store should be a top priority. So test it for traffic and speed to see if it can handle an increased demand. Also, go through your shop's visitor journey from image load speed to the checkout process to make sure that everything is spotless. Second, make sure that your store is mobile friendly. Last year, 65% of all e-commerce traffic happened via mobile. So, as these numbers grow, it's important to ensure the smooth experience of a store's design across all mobile devices. Difficult navigation on a smaller screen will increase your bounce rates, since the extra effort will simply drive the visitors to the competition. Keep in mind that consumers will always prefer an easy and convenient way to purchase what they are looking for. If everything is running smoothly with these technical points, chances are your sales will go up, and that is great. But you also want to increase the chances of a future sale by convincing your customers to return. So let's keep building a lasting good impression. That brings us to the 3rd point, post-purchase experience. Make sure that it is tuned to fit your customer standards, because to succeed, you will need not only to provide an excellent customer service, but also to allow your customers to follow what happens after the sale is done. Now, I know that most shops understand the importance of a good customer service, so I'll just say it. Answer your customers in due time, be straightforward and kind, and be available for them in many different channels. We will go into more depth about this in a different video. The extra mile is to give your customers the means to check if everything is going according to plan. That is, allowing them to track their orders. Well, in truth, this is becoming an e-commerce standard service, so another reason why you should have it. Let's put it this way. Even if you ship your orders on time, there is no guarantee that they won't face any obstacles or any delays, making your customers wait longer than expected. This is especially true during holiday season and COVID situation. And failing delivery expectations and all the waiting usually leads to a stressful customer experience, which in turn leads to a lot of repeated inquiries about their order delivery status, which then causes extra work to your customer support team. To avoid all that, the Shopify App Store has a few good options for order tracking apps. They provide your customers with real-time information about their order status. They require only the order tracking number provided with a purchase and are accessible directly from your website. This means that they have at any time all the information they need to know what to expect, to avoid anxiety, and to take action or to move to plan B if they find it necessary. And all this while reducing the workload of your support team. Our partner and favorite app for order tracking is Tracker. Tracker accesses information of over 900 couriers globally, making virtually every order trackable. Tracker can also send automatic notifications to your customers whenever there is a shipping status update. It supports multiple languages, which is essential if you're already providing these languages to your visitors. and provides an easy website integration, requiring no previous experience or special knowledge. Overall, it is a solid and cheap choice on the Shopify App Store that performs to your expectations. The outcomes of having an order tracking service available on your store are an improved customer service and reduced costs. It's a win-win situation where your customer delivery expectations are fulfilled and your customer support team workload is relieved. And that's it. This Christmas, excel in customer experience and give yourself and your store a precious gift, the gift of returning customers. Feel free to watch this video again and as many times as necessary. If you found it useful or if you simply liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe to the eShop Talk channel. If you want us to cover any specific topic, if you want to add anything or ask us a question, please let me know right there in the comments below. I am Alberto talking eShop, and until next time, keep your sales up!